Okay, so I'm going to explain you how to change information on for the codes of a SPA, Pier 22, and Pier 24. The first thing is, as you remember, the codes are here, okay? Each code for each apartment, main door and door of the apartment, okay? Now, SPA first, as we know, there is a code of the main door and there is a key that is usually at the door that Carla or whoever is cleaning leaves there for the client. Please always check that for the checkout, the key is there. Okay, so we have SPA Rez-de-Chaussée, SPA 1, SPA 2, SPA 3, SPA 4. Pier 22, first floor, second floor, third floor, and the same for 24, first floor, second floor, third floor. Now, these codes are not generated automatically. We have to change them if needed, or the date of expiration. And this is where it comes the video. First of all, you're going to log, I already have saved it, to this site, okay? Now, please understand that Samaritian, or whatever, 56 and 54 are not ours, so you don't touch them. Now, let's start with SPA 24. As you can see, I went here, upper, and then I search for SPA 24, I click, and then you're here, and then you go to devices. In devices, you will see SPA first floor, second floor, third floor, and main door. Now, please note that SPA third floor at the moment, here, open configuration is not working, but the code of maintenance can open the door of the apartment. Nonetheless, if you have any issues, there is a key in Pier 26 stock, this one, okay, that works for the door of the apartment of SPA 24 third floor, okay? Now, getting back here, if you need to update a code, or you need to update the date that the code works, the first thing that you're going to do is come here and open configuration. Please note that there is no precise link because it's generated the moment that you click open configuration. So you click here and it takes time to load. It keeps loading. So when you have this, okay, this is reference admin. You click on, you put admin, you write that admin and the password. Yes, I'm going to give you the password in case someone is asking. So you log in here and then you go to directory and you look for the name P2401 in this case. Come on. I mean, it's by logic that you have to go and look for P24, P22, or P or SPA. I'm going to show you each so there is no confusion on the names, okay? So you go here and you see you don't touch this. Settings, location you don't touch. Now, for example, if I want to change the expiration date to more days, then I go here, I check here, I put it for the 31, okay, for example, and then you have to delete admin, okay? Then if you want to change the code, you can put 2 to 15 digits. I put 24 here, or Jean-Philippe, I don't remember. And then you save, okay? Remember, P2401, the date of expiration, you can change it, you can change the code, and then in RFID cards, you have to take out admin. If admin is here, you have to delete it, and then you have to save, okay? Pier 24, second floor. Same thing. We wait for it to load. Okay, same thing. For everything, you just go to admin, okay? You go to directory, you go to P24 second floor, P24 second floor, and then the same procedure if you have to update something. For PS 24 third floor, you cannot log in here, so you cannot change it. But we are using the code of maintenance, so it's here. Pray to the Lord that we don't have to use the key. But the key is in the stock of Pier 26. It's written here, okay? It's in bold. Do you need me to put it bigger? Let's put it bigger. And the key is there, okay? So now, for the main door, same thing. Open configuration. We wait for it to load. Same thing, admin, user directory, and it's P24 main. Now, here, it's a little bit different, okay? So pay attention. The name we don't touch, phone numbers we don't touch. Access, I put it for the 31st of May, so we are okay with that. The code, if we need to change it, we will change it in the future. And if you want to save it, you delete admin in wave key, and then you save it, okay? And then you can close. This is for Pier 24. Let's go to Pier 22. Now, we go to devices again. Open configuration. We wait for it to load. This procedure has to be done one by one, okay? It takes time, so be patient. Okay, admin. Again, same code. P2201. Same procedure, okay? If you need to change the dates, it's until here. And if you need to change the code, it's here. And then you take admin to save it, okay? P22, second floor. Same thing. Let's try to do something. I'm not even sure if it's possible, huh? But we can try. So the 2 pages are loading. I'm going to make an experiment to see if it works, because I have not tried that. Again, admin. Again, admin. So we go here, and P2203 means third floor, in case you were wondering. And same thing. Okay, if you want to do something, you take out admin. You can change the code here, and you can change the date of expiration. I'm going to put it to the 20. Let's see. The 20, you see, again, and I saved it. P2203. P2202. Okay, code, settings. Of course, you have to understand that before I did this video, I already changed the names, so you knew. Okay, again, save. So that's how I know the names already. Now, spa. Ah, shit, I forgot. Main door. Ah. Open configuration. No, I don't want this one. I want Pier 22. Ah. Devices. Open configuration. This is spa, this is Pier. Of course, it takes time. Admin. Admin. Okay, so this one is great. Which one is this one? We're going to change it together. Then spa main door. Okay, spa main door. So you see, the code is here. Yes. How do I know the code is here? Spa. I mean, it's here. And the date of expiration should be around here. I put it already for the 31. You delete here, you save, and you close. This one, let's get to see which one. Ah, this is the main door. So let's do the main door. Let's see. The main door of spa. Ah, okay. Remember that spa 22 doesn't have a code for the main door. it has a key, okay, for the main door, which is in the box. Remember that. So there is no need to change it. So I close here. Now we can go to spa. Devices. Let's do this one. Ah, shit. No. Open configuration. Directory. Spa main door. So you know the drill. Spa rez-de-chaussée. Same thing. Directory. Spa rez-de-chaussée. Same thing. How to change the codes, you already know. Spa first floor, remember, there is a key of the apartment that is left in the table. You have to check that Carla leaves that key in the table, okay? And that the clients, when they leave the key. Here, open configuration for spa second floor. Spa second floor. We're going to open spa third floor already. It's going to take time, so okay. Admin, login. Spa second floor. Remember, use codes, blah, blah. You take admin. Of course, you see here, spa second floor. Here is the code. So you know that it's correct what I'm doing. So now you can just save and close it. Admin. I'm sorry, I have a check-in. Directory, spa 3, same thing. Here, admin. Spa 4, same thing. Now, if a person tells you that there is an issue and you're not sure, okay, then you go to access log. Here, you can see who is getting inside of the apartment. If it's Carla, I can see it. If it's now it's going to change, of course, because we changed the names. So we're going to know by apartment. But if it's in blue, it means that they are inside. If it's in red, it means that there is an issue. Okay, so you go to devices and you know the procedure. If you have any questions, please let me know. Now, one more thing. Here in useful links, you have the link of how to access. Look, how to access. You copy and you paste. Okay? And that's how you get into this thing. You log in because I have it already automatically, and then you can use these three, okay? For any of them, it's the same thing. Access log, you see, Pierre 24, main door, the client got in, well, at my time, so it doesn't matter. You can see that people are using it, okay? You see, unknown user, I don't know, you know. You can see that there are names, so please be very careful, okay? You have to check that everything is working except 24, okay? You see here, they're using the main, the, the code of the porte-entrée. That means that he was using it incorrectly. That means that he's using it correctly, okay? You see, Pier 24 first floor, the client used it, okay? He used the code as well, okay? So we can control those kind of things. If they put the code incorrectly, it's not going to let them know. But you see, like 30 seconds later, the person was using it correctly, okay? Be aware of that. And remember, here is the login email. Here is the password, admin. You have to type admin when you go here because I have it already saved in my computer. It doesn't matter. But you can type admin and then just the code, okay? I'm going to put here the link of the video that I'm making so you're sure that you can use it, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know.